You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they block it. Yeah. I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal thought impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, facts don't match. Grab reactions, jacked attack with every word that act from class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finally, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music I'm saying.
I know that I gotta stay away from all you gave there. I know that I find somebody else to love you there. Don't realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. You did me tell you that.
Your love is like a burning star in the sky. Three,
two, one, go!
Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, that I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating based on all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living. My life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the call is E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finally, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music I'm saying.
I know
lovely, now I'm focused on me. You said you were a ride or die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe.